This video is for grade 9 math, quarter 1, module 1, illustrating quadratic equation. Punta na po tayo sa page 2. What's in? Okay. So let us recall how to multiply polynomials. Okay, so try this. Multiply and simplify if needed. So number 1 is x times 2x minus 7. X times 2x minus 7. Okay, distribute, apply distributive property. X times 2x is 2x squared. I-add mo po yung power ng x at saka ng x. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, then x times negative 7, that is negative 7x. So this is the answer for number 1, 2x squared minus 7x. Number 1. Okay, number 2 is x plus 5, parenthesis x plus 5, times parenthesis x plus 9. Okay. Pwede ka pong gumamit ng FOIL method. Okay. FOIL method. Meaning po, FOIL means first, O, outer, I, inner, L, last. So, ito po yung first. X times X. Then outer, X times 9. Inner po is 5 times X. And then the last is 5 times 9. Okay, yan po yung FOIL method, multiplying quadratic equation. So, first is x times x, x squared. Outer, x times 9, positive 9, that's plus 9x. Inner, 5 times x, that's plus 5x. And then the last term, 5 times 9, plus 45. So, i-add mo po yung common terms, x squared plus 9x plus 5x, that's 14. X, copy mo lang po yung x. Then, i-add mo yung coefficient, 9 plus 5. Then, plus 45. So, ito na po yung sagot ng number 2. Okay? Huwag kalimutan mag-apply ng FOIL method. Ito yung pinakamadali. FOIL method. Okay. So, the same lang sa number 3. Okay. 2 and 3 are the same, 5 and also 6. So, number 4, since that is parenthesis x plus 6 raised to 2, okay, we will just make it 2x plus 6, and then x plus 6 is the same as x plus 6, parenthesis square. So, apply mo lang din po yung FOIL method. So, ayan, tapos ka na. Page 8. What I can do. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? For those that are, identify the values of A, B, and C. So, dapat yung standard form ng quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Pag sinabi natin quadratic, meaning that's quadratic equation, meaning the highest power or the degree of the coefficient is 2. Okay? This is the degree. 2, degree ng x is 1. Okay. The highest degree or highest power must be 2. If that is 3, example x cubed, then it's not a quadratic equation. If it is x raised to 1 or x, that is also not a quadratic equation. That should be x squared or y squared or b squared, and because the highest power is equal to 2. Okay, so let us determine the numbers that are quadratic. So, number 1, it's a yes because the highest power is 2. So, x squared minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. So, naka-standard form na po siya, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, a must be equal to 1 because that is x squared. The coefficient of x is 1. B is equal to negative 6. And C is equal to 2. So that is the answer for number 1. Number 2, it is not a quadratic equation because the highest degree is 3x, which has a power of 1. So it's not a quadratic equation. Number 3 is a yes, it is a quadratic equation. Transpose mo lang ang 15 here to the left side. So that becomes 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. So that you will follow, or you can follow the ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a is 2, b is 7, then c is negative 15. How about the number 4? Is this a quadratic equation? Okay. Let us see if it is quadratic equation. So you need to solve for it or arrange it. So that is parenthesis x plus 1 square equals 2 times 2 parenthesis x minus 3. Okay, since x plus 1 parenthesis raised to 2, gawin mong dalawa, x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals 2 times x minus 3. Apply mo po yung FOIL method. Okay, FOIL method sa x plus 1 times x plus 1. So, first is x times x squared. Then outer x times 1, that is x, so plus x. Inner 1 times x plus x. Then last 1 times 1 plus 1 equals 2 times x, 2x, 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Okay, add mo po yung common terms, x squared plus x times x plus x is 2x plus 1. Then transpose the 2x minus 6 to the left side, that is negative 2x plus 6 equals to 0. So this is 0 now, 2x and negative 2x. So x plus 1 plus 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 equals to 0. So this is now the standard form of quadratic equation, which follows ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So a is equal to 1, b since walang bx, so 0, and then c is equal to 7. So that is the answer for number 4. Okay. Number 5, transpose mo lang. Okay, that is quadratic equation also. Number 5. Okay, ikaw na po bahala sa number 6, 7, 8, 9, at saka number 10.